Imagine embarking on a journey around the world with each stop offering a unique culinary treasure. Picture yourself as a gastronomic explorer, setting sail on an ocean of flavors, uncovering the secrets of the world's kitchens. This isn't just a trip, it's a voyage of discovery, where the destinations are not just cities and countries, but dishes and delicacies. Think about the joy of wandering through bustling markets filled with exotic spices and colorful produce. Imagine the thrill of tucking into a plate of food that holds the essence of a culture, a dish that has been perfected over generations. It's in these moments that you truly taste the world, one bite at a time. This journey is about more than just satisfying your palate. It's about understanding the stories and traditions behind each dish. It's about connecting with people and places in the most delicious way possible. Traveling is not just about seeing new places, it's also about tasting the world. First stop, Italy, a country known for its rich and diverse food heritage. Here, the culinary scene is a symphony of flavors, where each dish tells a story of tradition and love. Among these storied dishes, pasta carbonara stands out. This classic Italian dish, hailing from the heart of Rome, is a delightful blend of simple yet exquisite ingredients. Freshly cooked spaghetti, crispy pancetta, creamy egg yolk, sharp pecorino cheese, and a generous sprinkle of black pepper come together to create a dish that is both comforting and indulgent, a true embodiment of Italian cuisine. Pasta carbonara is not just a meal, it's a testament to Italy's culinary prowess and a symbol of its cultural heritage. Each bite takes you on a journey through the cobblestone streets of Rome, letting you taste the soul of Italy in its purest form. In Italy, food is not just sustenance, it's a way of life. Our culinary adventure now takes us to France, the culinary capital of the world, where food is elevated to an art form. Here, we discover a classic French dish that encapsulates the soul of French cooking: coq au vin. This traditional dish is a slow-cooked masterpiece, a symphony of flavors that tells a story of patience, passion, and perfection. Imagine tender pieces of chicken, braised to perfection in a rich wine sauce, mingling with the savory notes of lardons, earthy mushrooms, and aromatic garlic. Each bite is a culinary revelation, a hearty mouthful that warms the soul and delights the palate. Coq au vin is more than just a meal, it's a taste of French tradition and culinary excellence, a testament to France's reputation as the gastronomic heart of the world. In France, food is not merely a way to satiate hunger, it is a celebration of life, a testament to the French adage, joie de vivre. As we delve into this sumptuous stew, we are reminded that in France, every meal is a celebration of life, a moment to savor, and a memory to cherish. Next, we head to sunny Spain, a land of passion, flamenco, and vibrant flavors. Here we encounter paella, a dish as colorful and lively as the country itself. Imagine a large pan, brimming with the golden hue of saffron-infused rice, generously studded with succulent pieces of chicken, fresh seafood, and a medley of vegetables. Each ingredient, meticulously added in layers, contributes to an explosion of flavors that dance on the palate. Paella is a feast for the senses, a dish that encapsulates the essence of Spanish cuisine and culture. It's a communal dish, meant to be shared with loved ones under the warm Spanish sun. Each mouthful is a celebration of Spain's rich culinary heritage and the country's love for life. In Spain, food is not just sustenance, it is a vibrant expression of life, love, and community. As we dive into this sumptuous dish, we are reminded that in Spain, every meal is a fiesta, a moment to savor, and a memory to treasure. Now, let's sail to the beautiful shores of Greece, a land of azure sea, ancient history, and mouth-watering cuisine. Here we discover moussaka, a traditional Greek dish that is as layered as the country's rich history. Picture a casserole dish, brimming with succulent layers of roasted eggplant, tender potatoes, and savory minced meat. Each layer is seasoned to perfection, creating a harmonious symphony of flavors. But the crowning glory of this dish is its creamy bechamel sauce, generously poured over the top, and then baked until it achieves a golden, bubbling perfection. Each bite of moussaka is a taste of Greek hospitality and warmth, a testament to their love for good food and good company. In Greece, every meal is a joyous celebration of life, a moment to pause and savor the simple pleasures. As we dig into this heavenly dish, we are reminded that in Greece, food is not just about sustenance, it's about bringing people together, creating memories, and celebrating life's beautiful moments. From the pristine shores of Greece, we journey to the vibrant, bustling streets of Thailand. Here we discover pad thai, a dish that is as dynamic and colorful as the country itself. Imagine a street-side stall where a skilled cook masterfully tosses rice noodles in a hot wok. To this, they add a medley of ingredients: fresh shrimp, tofu, and eggs, each adding their own unique textures and flavors. A generous sprinkle of crushed peanuts goes on top, adding a satisfying crunch. But the real magic lies in the sauce, a perfect balance of sweet, sour, and spicy, which seeps into every strand of noodle, creating a symphony of flavors that dance on your tongue. Each mouthful of pad thai is a taste of Thailand's rich culinary heritage, a testament to their love for robust flavors and fresh ingredients. In Thailand, every meal is a celebration of life and community, a moment to pause, savor, and enjoy the vibrant tapestry of life. Leaving the vibrant streets of Thailand behind, we now venture into the culinary heart of China. Here we find a dish that has been celebrated for centuries for its exquisite taste and texture, the Peking duck. Picture this: a whole duck, meticulously prepared and roasted to perfection, its skin glistening, crispy, and golden. The meat is tender and flavorful, a testament to the hours of careful preparation that goes into each dish. But the experience doesn't stop there. The duck is served with thin, soft pancakes, fresh spring onions, and a sweet bean sauce. Each element comes together to create a harmony of flavors that is distinctly Chinese. Each bite of Peking duck is not just a taste of a dish, but a taste of China's rich culinary tradition where food is more than sustenance. It's an integral part of culture and tradition, a symbol of hospitality and a celebration of the Chinese way of life. From the bustling streets of China, we now find ourselves in the vibrant, spice-scented markets of Morocco. Our destination? A traditional Moroccan kitchen where the tantalizing aroma of a slow-cooked stew wafts through the air. This is Tagine, a dish named after the unique earthenware pot it's cooked in. Picture this: succulent pieces of meat, a medley of fresh vegetables, and a symphony of aromatic spices, all simmering together under a conical lid. The result is a dish that is as rich and diverse as Morocco itself, a melting pot of flavors that pays tribute to the country's Berber, Arab, and French influences. Each spoonful of tagine is a taste of Morocco's culinary heritage, a testament to the country's love for food that is hearty, flavorful, and steeped in tradition. In Morocco, food is a celebration of life and community, and tagine, with its communal pot and shared servings, embodies this spirit perfectly. As we take our leave from Morocco, we carry with us the warmth of its people, the richness of its culture, and the tantalizing flavors of its cuisine. Now let's samba our way to Brazil, where the rhythm of life is as vibrant and flavorful as its national dish, Feijoada. Imagine a hearty black bean stew, simmering slowly over a low flame, its rich aroma filling the air. Generous chunks of pork, both tender and salty, mingle with the beans, creating a symphony of flavors that is both comforting and exciting. This is Feijoada, a dish that tells the story of Brazil's diverse culinary influences, a melting pot of flavors from its Portuguese roots and African heritage. Traditionally, it's served with fluffy white rice, crisp collard greens, and farofa, a toasted cassava flour mixture, each component adding another layer of texture and taste to the dish. Each spoonful of feijoada is a taste of Brazil's vibrant culture, a testament to the country's love for food that is hearty, flavorful, and steeped in tradition. In Brazil, food is a celebration of life and joy, a sentiment that feijoada, with its communal servings and festive atmosphere, embodies perfectly. As we bid goodbye to Brazil, we take with us the rhythm of its people, the richness of its culture, and the tantalizing flavors of its cuisine. Next, we journey to the land down under Australia, a place where the sun shines brightly, the surf is always up, and the food is simply irresistible. Among the various delicacies, one dish stands out as a beloved national treasure: the Australian meat pie. Picture a golden, flaky pastry shell, cradling a savory filling of minced meat and rich gravy. Each bite is an explosion of textures and flavors, a harmonious blend of buttery pastry and hearty filling. The Australian meat pie is more than just a meal, it's a taste of Australia's culinary tradition, a symbol of its warm hospitality and love for simple, hearty foods. Whether enjoyed at a bustling local bakery, a sporting event, or a family gathering, each meat pie offers a taste of Australia's rich cultural fabric. In Australia, food is not just about sustenance, it's a celebration of life and community, a sentiment that the humble yet delicious meat pie embodies perfectly. As we bid goodbye to Australia, we take with us the warmth of its people, the vibrancy of its culture, and the hearty goodness of its cuisine. Finally, we journey to the Rainbow Nation, South Africa, a land where the diverse culture is mirrored in its vibrant and varied cuisine. Among the myriad of dishes, one stands out as a national treasure: Bobotie. Imagine a hearty dish made from spiced minced meat studded with dried fruits and baked with a creamy egg-based topping. The result is a delightful mix of sweet and savory flavors, a dance of taste sensations in every bite. Bobotie is not just a dish, it's a testament to South Africa's rich culinary heritage, a melting pot of flavors influenced by Malay, Dutch, and indigenous African cooking traditions. Whether savored at a bustling local market or a family gathering, each bite of bobotie offers a taste of South Africa's rich cultural diversity. In South Africa, food is not just about sustenance, it's a celebration of life and diversity, a sentiment that the delicious and comforting bobotie encapsulates perfectly. As we bid farewell to South Africa, we take with us the taste of its diversity, the warmth of its people, and the vibrancy of its cuisine. Next, we journey to the land of the rising sun, Japan. A land where precision and artistry come together in the creation of its iconic dish, sushi. This isn't just a meal, it's a testament to Japan's respect for tradition and craftsmanship. Picture this: a sushi master, honing his skills for decades, delicately slices through the freshest catch of the day. With a swift, confident motion, he lays the glistening piece atop a compact bed of perfectly vinegared rice. The result is sushi, a deceptively simple dish that carries within it a world of flavors, textures, and subtleties. In Japan, sushi is more than just a meal. It's a celebration of seasonality, a nod to the country's close relationship with the sea, and a reflection of the Japanese commitment to perfection. Whether savored at a high-end restaurant or a bustling fish market, each bite of sushi offers a taste of Japan's rich culinary heritage. Sushi, like Japan, is a perfect blend of tradition and innovation. Now let's delve into the vibrant flavors of India. Our next stop on this gastronomic journey is the aromatic world of biryani. This isn't just a dish, it's a symphony of flavors, a celebration of spices, and a testament to the culinary artistry of Indian cuisine. Biryani is a layered rice dish typically prepared with basmati rice, succulent pieces of meat, and a medley of spices. The preparation of biryani is as complex and rich as its taste. It involves marinating the meat, partially cooking the rice, and then layering them together. The dish is then sealed and slow-cooked to perfection, allowing the flavors to mingle and create a dish that is much more than the sum of its parts. In India, biryani isn't just food, it's a tradition. It's the centerpiece of celebrations and festivals, a dish that brings people together. It's a culinary masterpiece that reflects the diversity and richness of Indian culture. In India, every bite tells a story. Finally, we arrive in Mexico, a country that's a feast for the senses. Here, the star of the show is the humble taco. A simple yet versatile dish, tacos encapsulate Mexico's vibrant street food culture. Imagine a warm, soft corn tortilla, served fresh off the griddle. It's then loaded with a plethora of fillings, each as diverse as the regions they hail from. From the succulent carnitas of Michoacan to the spicy chorizo of Toluca, every bite is an exploration of flavors. But it doesn't stop there. The taco is adorned with a medley of garnishes, a squeeze of lime, a sprinkle of cilantro, or a dash of salsa, each ingredient adding another layer of depth and complexity to this culinary masterpiece. Tacos are more than just a meal in Mexico, they are a testament to the country's rich history and cultural diversity. Every taco stand is a story, every bite, a tradition. In Mexico, every meal is a celebration. From Italy to Mexico, we've embarked on a culinary journey like no other. We've savored the rich and creamy pasta carbonara in Italy, where the golden egg yolk and crispy pancetta intertwine in a dance of decadence. Then, we ventured to Japan, tasting sushi, an exquisite blend of fresh fish and perfectly seasoned rice, a testament to the art of simplicity. Our taste buds were then tantalized in India by the aromatic biryani, layered with fragrant rice and succulent meat, a symphony of spices that sings to the soul. And who could forget the vibrant tacos of Mexico, a cornucopia of flavors wrapped in a soft tortilla, a true celebration of Mexican spirit, each mouthful a story, each cuisine a testament to the culture that birthed it. Our journey has taken us across continents, through time, and into the heart of what it means to savor. Remember, the world is a kitchen, so go ahead, take a bite and taste the adventure.